Welcome to I Will Become a Millionaire. Today I want to talk about a BBC article titled How Wealthy Are You? I will highlight key information from the article which will allow you to compare your net worth to that of other UK residents and also to compare against people in your age group. According to latest data, the majority of Britain's 12.8 trillion wealth is made up of private pensions and property, showing that property ownership and investing into pensions are the most common ways that Britons build their net worth. These asset classes will form a key part of my strategy of achieving a net worth of £1 million, but I will also continue to invest in other financial assets such as index funds and individual shares. In addition to this, I will also create multiple businesses and find ways to increase my income. For example, doing my accounting exams and learning more marketable skills. To assess how wealthy you are, you need to calculate your net worth. In simple terms, your net worth is calculated by taking the total value of what you own, your assets, and subtracting from this figure the total value of what you owe, your liabilities. For example, if you owned an £100,000 apartment, had £50,000 in a pension fund, had £10,000 in a stocks and shares ISA, and £5,000 in cash, your total assets would be £165,000. If you owed £55,000 on your mortgage, £5,000 on your student loan, and £5,000 on your credit card, your total liabilities would be £65,000. Total assets of £165,000 minus total liabilities of £65,000 would leave you with a net worth of £100,000. Knowing your net worth is important if you share my goal of financial freedom, as it can be used to track progress and is a good indicator of financial health. Check out my quarterly net worth reviews on this channel, where I track my progress and keep myself motivated. This table shows net wealth per adult in the UK split into deciles. For example, if you had no debt and at least £3 in the bank, you would have a higher net worth than 10% of British adults. I started my financial journey in the bottom decile with a negative net worth. However, less than a year later, I've surpassed decile 2, meaning that I have a higher net worth than 20% of British adults. To make it into the top 10%, you would need a net worth of £671,200, a figure I believe is achievable in the long term for most people in the UK. Like me, you may be in your 20s and just starting out in your financial journey. In this case, it may be more helpful to benchmark your net worth against your age group. My current net worth of around £8,000 is just below the median for my age category, though I have several years to go before I enter the next category. The 61 to 70 age group is the richest in the UK, likely due to house prices rising above inflation during their lifetimes, and many haven't been enrolled in generous defined benefit pension schemes. Hope that you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments below what decile you're in, and how your net worth compares to your age category. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Have a fantastic day.